Okay, now we'll see an important topic of creating ABAP queries. This is ABAP queries are used to create custom reports. The users if the users want to create some custom reports, most of the reports are available here. Okay, if the users want to create some custom reports which is not available in the standard reports, then they can use this function ABAP queries to create the custom reports according to their own taste. Okay, we'll see how to do that. The menu path to create a custom reports using ABAP queries is over here. ABAP workbench, development, utilities, right? Yeah, utilities and subquery. It's under tools, ABAP workbench, development, utilities, subquery, queries, info sets. Okay. Before you create a SAP query, you need to create an info set, and the info set needs to be assigned to the SAP query. Okay, something like this. To create a info set first. Info set has to be created. Then the info set needs to be assigned to a user group. Then from the user group, the info set should be assigned to the SAP query. Okay, just save this. Okay, let's do the info set now. Here, code is SQ02. We can use info set. You have to give a name, right? So we give a name called sun and give a name sun query. Alright, here, okay, the report that we're going to create is that we're going to display all the invoices for customer. Alright, we're going to create a report which will display all the invoices that is posted to a customer, and we're going to make sure the report can be selected based on the customer and the company code. Okay, so for that before that let me just show you what is the report that I'm going to create. Okay, this is the report that I'm going to create. I need a selection fields in the report selection screen. I want to select by customer number and company code, and the report will display the respective customer numbers, document number, document date and document amount. Okay, the data will be displayed here in this area here. Let's do it now. So in order to create this report, you need to know the tables in which this information will be stored. Okay, you can get the information about the tables from the basis guys. You just tell them which table can you find the customer number and company code, and which table you can find the documents that are posted to a customer. They will know it. or you also ask your FICO consultant. Alright, if you yourself is a FICO consultant, then you need to know about it. Alright, but now I can tell you that this customer number and customer code, company code, comes from the table called KNB1 B1. So I'm going to enter at least one table here. You need to enter at least one table here to get started. So I'm going to enter this table here. There's one more table. This is KNB1 is the table from which you can extract this information, and then you need another table where you can get this document information. That table is over here. It's called BSID. So you choose insert table, you enter BSID. This is the table where this information is stored, document number and so forth. Once you select, SAP will automatically assign the link between the two tables. The link between the two tables is customer number and company code. Customer number and company code. See, so you see this line here? It's automatically assigned. You don't need to do anything about it. Alright, just go back. You just choose this create empty field groups. Click OK. Alright, you see the field groups here. And these are the tables. This is table. And then if you want to see the fields under the table, you just expand this. You see all the fields under this table. You're going to select two fields from this table. It's a KNB1 I selected, right? The KNB field, KNB table. So just this is the technical field name, and this is a description. This is actual field name in the table. Okay. Select and drop it here. The company code, select and drop it here. So we come here, you have company code and customer number, which is identical to this. Now to select this information here, you need to come here, open up the BSID table. You need to find document date, right? Document date is here, right? Document date. Just select and drop it. Then you need the document number, accounting document number, this is the one, and then this document amount. Document amount should be this one, amount in document currency. Select and drop it, drag and drop. So you have selected all the fields that is required for this report. Okay, now save it. When you save, you have to select this local object. Select the local object, saved. Now go back. When you press the back button, the system will ask whether you want to generate the info set. Click yes. It has to be generated, otherwise it won't be available for reporting. Then see, this thing is created, the Sun query is created. You need to assign the user group, right? The next thing you need to do is this. You need to assign the info set to the user group. So this is still the info set which is not assigned to any group. Select the user group assignment. Go down to this group, test query. This is a test group that we have. Just click this and save it. Assignment has been saved. Okay, now we can close the screen, come out. Now we can go to queries. So we come here, queries, SQ01, the T code SQ01. We select the info set query. See, our user group is test query, right? Test query. Under the user group test query, you can find this info set that we created, which is Sun. You have many user groups. Make sure you select the user group in which you have assigned the info set. Select it. Okay, now you have customer code, This checkbox means that if you select this, then this field will be available in the report selection screen. So we need these two, right? We go back to report sample. We need these two fields in the report selection, therefore you need to check these two. You can also select accounting document if you want to, so it will appear in the report selection screen, but I don't want to do that. So output meaning that you want to display this field in the report display. So no, sorry, I don't want to display the company code. I want to display the customer number, this and this. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. See, all are displayed here. You see, customer number, amount. Oh, I don't want to display the amount, right? If you want to change the order, this is the way you have to change it. You have to select in the order you want to display. Document date comes second, right? So select document date second, document number is third, so select document number, document amount is fourth, select document amount. Okay, the currency is automatically displayed. Alright, so you have this section which corresponds to report display, and you have this section which is a report selection field section, corresponds to this. Now you can save it. You have to give a name to save it. Just give Sun Query saved. Now we can run it. Go back and go to Sun Query here, right? Just run it. Here we go. So you can select the format, output format here. I recommend ABAP list. The format should be ABAP list so that you can have many options to filter the report. You can leave this blank to select all the customers. So here you have all the customers. Just choose list, ABAP list viewer. Alright, see this? You have customer number. Sorry, I need to show you the report selection screen. This is a report selection screen. Company code and customer number corresponds to this. Alright, and this one, when you execute, you have this customer number, document date, document number, document number, all are displayed here. Very easy, right? Okay, now that's about it.